Everyone, today we'll see the problem. Count the number of consistent strings. Okay, we'll go through the problem statement first and then go through the intuition and then see how to code. We'll go through the problem statement first. You're given a string allowed consisting of distinct characters and an array of string words. Okay, a string is consistent if all the characters in the string appear in the string allowed. Return the number of consistent strings in the array words. Okay, what he's saying we'll see in the intuition and then we'll code. Given you will be allowed string, which is a string, which is AB, and a array of strings, which is named as words. I mean array of strings. One is AD, BD, AAAB, BAA, BADAB. Okay, these are the strings in which we need to find whether they are consistent or not. What does consistent mean here? Every word we will check every string in the word. If here the string is AD and every letter in the string is there in allowed, then this particular string is consistent. Okay, A is there in AB, D is not there, so this particular string is not consistent. If you see B is there but D is not there, so this is also not consistent. Okay, if you see this, A is there, B is there in allowed string. How many ever times it repeats, it doesn't matter. If it is there, then we say it as consistent. So we need to send how many of them are consistent. Okay, that's the result we need to return. How we will do it? We'll try using sets. Okay, let us create a allowed set, which will create set of allowed variables. It will create like A and B. This is a allowed set. What does this mean? It consists all the characters from the allowed string. Okay. Now what you'll do? You'll iterate over the for I in words. For each word in words, what you'll do? You check if there is a union. Check each string unioning with allowed set. I mean, make this into a set and try to check the union of that set. If the union of this particular two sets is greater than or if it is greater than if it's greater than length of the allowed set, I mean this allowed set, then it is not consistent. What does this actually mean? You use union operator here. What does union do? You have allowed set which is AB. This is allowed set, and you'll for each and every word you'll create a set. Word you'll create a set. Let it be temp. Temp is AD. As of now, it is AD. Okay, first string is AD. Okay, and now we'll try to union these two strings, these two sets. Union these two sets. What will be the result? A, B, D. But you know, union 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 length should always be less than double less than or equals to 2 because allowed set has only two letters. Okay, if suppose it has BD, then you see it'll have A, B, D as the union result. If it is AAAB, then temp would be AB and the union of these two will be AB. There is no new letter getting added. If suppose, let's say you have a temp set as C and E, the union of these two will be definitely the length will be greater than AB. I mean length of 2. Okay, definitely it will be greater than 2. So we say that this particular string is not a consistent string. In that way, we will try to find what all the strings are consistent and what are all inconsistent strings. Here they are asking us count the number of consistent string. So we'll just put a count variable, just we'll update the count variable and then return it. Okay. Now let's see how to code this. Let's take a variable allowed set, which will be set of allowed. And now what we'll do is for I in words, create a temp variable, which is set of I. Now what you'll need to do, check if length of set allowed set dot intersection union, I mean union, which this allowed set is unioning with temp is greater than length of allowed set. We'll check for the condition less than or equals. If it's greater than, it is an inconsistent string. We want consistent string. So if less than or equals to this, then we'll have a result variable res equals to 0. We'll put res plus equals to 1 and return the res. Okay, we'll run this. See, they passed. What we are doing, we are taking the set of allowed string and then trying to find the union. If the length of the union operation is less than or equals to length of the allowed set, then we are directly updating the result variable. If it's not, then we consider the string as inconsistent string and then we don't update the result variable. We'll submit this. You see, it passed. If you have any questions, please comment them in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe.